the demand for data scientists has never been greater than it is today. Even with the AI disruption that's happening around us, most companies who've done studies on estimating where the demand is going to be in the future for what kinds of roles, they are finding that data scientist is near the top of whatever role you can come up with in terms of the demand. So BCG, which is Boston Consulting Group, notes a shortage of 250,000 data scientists in the US alone. And if you expand that globally, then that number is going to be much greater. Demand for data scientists is growing at 36%, which is exceeding software engineers, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics in the US. And the pay is pretty good as well. Where economists come in, so we have a BTech major at Plaksha called Data Science, Economics, and Business, which is again a very unique major that combines aspects of data science with economics and business. So why did the founders and the governing board think that economics and business is a good complement to data science? Is precisely because leaders want to understand the causal impact of a particular policy or a particular program on some outcomes. So that's where economists come in. They have this causal toolkit that they are able to apply along with data scientists. And they also help with understanding what are the key performing indicators for profitability for the firm, as well as understanding, for example, what could be some of the anomalies in the data. And finally, they can also help set new benchmarks and indices for what businesses can care about. Finally, economists can also help with pricing and evaluation of bundles of products. So that's where economists are a good complement to data scientists. And we believe that this program should offer something unique. And so in this program, the theme for this year is going to be data science, econometrics. And when I say econometrics, it's basically the statistics applied to social sciences. It is a branch of economics where we understand statistics applied to social science. And finally, finance. So those are the three themes that we're going to pick up this year.